One of the best experiences I've ever had. The way she facilitated, the way she held the space. And I tell the truth when I need to tell the truth. She was magical.
Yeah, amazing experience. And I know leaving this retreat, I've been to so many meditation retreats. This was different because it's accessible. I can start with 5 minutes and build from there.
The place is magical, the music, the food, the art, the walks to the place. I mean, have no expectations, but yet, no, it's amazing.
I so love Cheri's meditation retreats. I've actually been on a number of them, and it is because I do these retreats that meditation is something that I do. Like, it's something I look forward to that feels so good. I just feel like it's just made my life so much better. So thank you, Cheri.
Cheri is a seemingly limitless source of energy, wisdom, joy, and love. She just is that and does that like all the time.
It's been a lovely 3 days. I've met amazing women, like-minded women. If you're in any doubt whether to take a retreat or not, don't be. Your message just to take it. Yoga, meditation, a lot of downtime, good food, and just getting to know like-minded women like yourself. You deserve it.